Hey sis, it's your girl Give You Face, and I am back yet again with another slay. And this is what we have today. Sis, we're going in again with the matte book. We are going hard. Like, I love this palette so much. I've been using this palette like a lot recently, and this is what she looks like. Rainbow colors. I just ordered some lipsticks, so y'all stay tuned for a like a little lip haul, a little lip swatch video coming up. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but they have some really good stuff, so I'm just gonna continue to use, you know, their products. And yeah, I mean, hopefully one day I can be a Crayon cutie because their products are the bomb. Anyway, today we're gonna be doing this slay. This is giving me like outer space vibes. We got a little bit of glitter on the eye. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you know, I'll do some close-up shots. But yes, for this entire look on the eyes, we did the Crayon case, the matte book. So yeah, I love it. Let me know if you guys, you know, want to see more from the matte book, and I will do more. I'm probably gonna do a couple more looks because I have so many looks in mind from this palette. I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below of the matte book if you guys have it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you guys know the next time I drop a video. And thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching my videos, sharing my videos. If you're on my Instagram, thank you for all of the love and support. Help me get to 2K. That is my next goal. And once we reach 2K, we are going to do a giveaway. So help me get there, and we will do a giveaway. Again, I thank you guys so much, and yeah, let's get into this beat, and I will see you guys in my next one. So the first thing I'm going to start with is I already know my last one was a banger. It was a banger. So we're going to be using the Crayon case again. So I'm going to start in the outer corner with my Morphe E27 brush, and we're going to be using, I think we're going to go in with this dark purple again, right there. So we're bringing this color into the corner. I need to figure out why my light dims. It dims and then it comes back, and it's just so weird. So the next color I'm going to use is this blue color in the middle, and I'm going to take my Morphe 562. Just going to build this color up, mixing it with the purple. I'm going to take a Morphe M562, a clean one, and bring that purple in a little bit with the blue. And we're going to take another 562 brush, and we're going to take this dark green out of the palette, which is going to be that one there. The darkest green in the palette. I'm going to take another clean brush, and I'm going to go in with, let's see. I'm just going to go in and take this lighter purple below. I'm just going to take each lighter color and bring it up. I'm going to take this light purple and go right across. Bring it up. Blend it in. Then I'm gonna go in with this lighter blue right there. We're gonna go in, blending those out. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the light green color with a clean brush, and I'm just gonna go in with this light green. And go right on top of that green. And this one, I've been using the Morphe 562. This is the Morphe R41 for the corner because I ran out of Morphe 562, so we're just going to use a pencil brush for this one. We're just going to go right on top of that green, that dark green. And this is what we should be looking like here. Got everything blended together. So now I'm going to be taking this light cream color dome shadow brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna go up top and soften out those top shadows. I'm just going to take a makeup wipe, cut my crease, and I'm going to do one side on camera and one side off. So now after you cut your crease, you want to cut your crease. You want to cut your crease. So I went ahead and did the other side. It's just kind of hard to like cut your crease on camera. I'm sorry, like it is. It's hard. So I'm just gonna take my white P. Louise and I'm just gonna go in. Okay, so now after we got our crease cut, I'm gonna go in with this lavendery purplish color, and I'm gonna take my Morphe 421 brush, flat brush. I'm just going to take that color and pack it all over the lid. So then I think I'm going to take, with the other side of the brush, I think I'm going to take a little bit of, let's do a little bit of the color above it, this purple, and I'm going to put it on the edge. I'm gonna take my Morphe 562 and I'm just gonna blend that dark purple into that light purple. Okay, so we're gonna take our NYX glitter primer, Real Techniques detailer brush. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that glitter glue on the back of my hand, or glitter primer. It's not glitter glue, it's primer, whatever. This is for NYX, from NYX. And I'm just gonna lightly place this over my eye. And then I'm going to use this NYX glitter, and this is in Ice Glaze. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's so subtle. Get it up close. A little bit of glitter. Okay, so I went ahead and did my foundation and highlight and contour real quick because I just wanted to save some time today. So I'm gonna go in with a white pencil. I really came across this dark purple. I kind of want to see how that is because that blends in well. So this is NYX Jet Set. So it's a dark purple. And I like that it comes out like a bluish purple. This is a pretty color. I think this is the one. Okay. It's cute. Okay. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want to see the whole foundation highlight contour routine every time, but I think I'm going to make a separate video for that. That way you guys know how I do it, so I won't have to do it every time, if that makes sense. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you thought or what you think about this look, and let me know what you guys want to see next also in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.